Let me ask you something. Are you really living or just existing? Are you waking up with purpose or just waking up to repeat the same day again? Because if you truly want to become unbreakable, if you want to live with energy, clarity, and power, then you've got to reprogram what you say to yourself every single day. Your words are commands. Your self-talk creates your reality. These are the 9 truths you must tell yourself every single day.
When life hits hard, smile back. When pressure mounts, stand tall. Say it. I was built for this. Every challenge you face is proof you can handle more. You weren't made to quit. You were made to conquer. You've survived too much to doubt yourself now. You were built for the climb, the grind, and the glory. Whatever comes, you were born ready.
You decide your energy, not the traffic, not the weather, not the world. Say it. I control my energy. No more waking up reactive. No more letting negativity dictate your day. You set the tone. You drive the day. When your mood drops, rise above it. When chaos hits, stay centered. You are the thermostat, not the thermometer. You control the temperature of your life.
Stop chasing perfect, chase growth. Stop waiting for the right time, make it right now. Say it, I choose progress over perfection. Every step forward is victory. Every mistake is a lesson. You don't need to be flawless, you need to be fearless. Consistency beats talent. Action beats fear. Keep moving because motion creates momentum.
No excuses, no delays, no waiting for motivation. Say it. I do what needs to be done. Discipline means doing it, especially when you don't feel like it. Because the world doesn't reward intentions, it rewards execution. You say you want success? Then prove it. Show up when it's hard. Grind when no one's watching. You either do the work or you live with the regret.
You're not fighting the world, you're fighting the weaker version of you. Every morning is a showdown between comfort and calling. Say it, I am my own competition. The only person you must beat is the one staring back in the mirror, the one who hesitates, the one who settles, the one who almost tries. Kill that version, bury the doubt, rebuild with action. You don't compete with people, you compete with potential. Outwork it, outlast it, outgrow it. Every day get stronger. Every day grow sharper. Every day become your next level.
Pain is not your enemy, it's your teacher. Every scar has a story. Every setback has a seed of strength. Say it, I find strength in the struggle. The struggle is the process that makes you unbreakable. Pressure doesn't destroy diamonds, it creates them. So when it hurts, push harder. When you're tired, keep moving. When it's dark, become the light. This pain is not punishment, it's preparation. The struggle is building a version of you that can't be shaken. Embrace it, endure it, evolve through.
People will doubt you. They'll talk. They'll misunderstand. Let them. Say it. I ignore the noise. Their opinions can't stop your mission. Their criticism can't block your progress. You don't owe them explanations, only results. Stay quiet, stay focused, stay dangerous. Your success will make the loudest sound.
Even in the chaos, there is something to thank life for. Gratitude turns pressure into peace and pain into power. Say it, I stay grateful no matter what. Because no matter where you are still breathing, still fighting, still becoming. Gratitude isn't weakness, it is strength. It reminds you how far you've come. Be thankful for the struggle. It is building you. Be thankful for the journey. It is shaping you.
Time doesn't wait. Opportunities don't repeat. Your life is happening now. Say it, I make today count. No more someday, no more later, because later is where dreams go to die. This day is your chance to create, to grow, to rise. Make today count, because when your words align with your actions, you become unstoppable. You're not here to survive, you're here to rise.
If you are